Hello everyone, Mr. Brian here, and I'm here for our second of our two easy, fun Christmas craft kits. This is the one for ages 7 to 11. Now, be on the lookout, we'll also have one for ages 6 and under. These kits will be available at the desk in the children's library. They're going to be available one per child per family, and we do not have enough to offer any replacements, and they'll be given out on a first come first served basis. And once these kits are gone, that's going to be it for this fun little craft for this holiday season, and we'll do something else for fun next year. So let's take a look and see what this little craft will be. Alright everyone, here is our bag that's going to have all of our pieces in it. This is going to make a fun, simple kind of a diorama style craft. Or, since this is something involving the Grinch, you can say that this is his scale model of his crime scene, or, this is a scale model of his plan. This is what he's going to do in order to steal Christmas. So you're going to have a copy of the instructions here. And then we have our base. Our base has a lot of these little lines that we're going to need to punch out here in a minute. Then we have a large piece for the background. You can see that these are done in the illustration of the actual story, which keep an eye out. We'll have another video coming up soon, which will be us sharing how the Grinch stole Christmas. You can see here we have the Grinch here at the top of the house, so he's in the middle of his plan. And then we have another piece here that's got some pieces we need to punch out that has the Grinch's sleigh full of all of the presents he has stolen from all the other Who's houses, and also a little Max, and also a little Cindy Lou looking through the wreath. So let's start off by punching out these pieces. Now these are just little foam pieces. There is no sticker backing or anything on this that we need to worry about. So just be careful as you're going through. You want to make sure you're not tearing anything. Sometimes you'll have a corner that may not want to come and get popped out, but if you work with it carefully, you'll see that it will all be fine in the end. Okay. Now we're also going to need to take these little bars that are here on the bottom, and we're going to need to punch those out too. Set these aside. We can recycle these, maybe use them in another activity. Okay, so you can again organize these any way that you think that they will fit on here. I'm going to put them on there for my example as it is listed here on the instructions. So what that means here for mine is I'm going to start with my background with the Grinch on top. You can see it's got these two tabs at the bottom. The back of our little base here has two tabs. So I'm going to take and push this in where it's down nice and flat from the background to the base. Then I have a longer piece here. I have a longer slot right here. So this is going to be where I put the sleigh. You may find one of your pieces may pop up on you as you're going through and doing this. If you want to make sure that this sticks really well when you do this at home, you may want to add a little bit of glue to the bottom of these, or take some hot glue or something down here on the bottom. But remember, if you do that, you want to try to do it to where you'll have a nice flat surface for it to sit. Then in our next little slot here in the background, we're going to put Max right here. And in our last little spot here, we will put little Miss Cindy Lou Who. So here is our finished and fun, neat little Grinch scene of the crime, little plan, scale model of him in the process of stealing Christmas, being caught red-handed by this tiny Who daughter who got out of bed for a cup of cold water. And so I hope you guys had fun making these. I hope that you will keep an eye out for when we have the reading of the Grinch story video here soon. And I'll see you guys in the next video.